How do emergency vet medicine careers use forensics? Imagine a scene where an injured animal arrives at an emergency veterinary clinic, and the team needs to find out what caused the injuries. That's where forensic science becomes part of the picture. Emergency veterinary medicine careers often involve applying forensic principles to help solve animal cruelty cases, injuries, or suspicious deaths. Veterinarians trained in forensics examine animals with injuries that might be from abuse, neglect, or accidents. They look carefully at wounds, trauma patterns, and signs of poisoning to tell if injuries are accidental or intentional. This detailed assessment is vital because it helps determine if a crime has occurred. Emergency vets also collect evidence like tissue samples, blood, or fluids for lab testing. They might send these samples for DNA analysis, which can identify the animal or link it to a crime scene. For example, DNA testing can reveal human biological material on an animal, which might be relevant in cases of animal sexual abuse. Techniques like polymerase chain reaction, or PCR, are used to amplify tiny DNA samples so they can be studied in detail. This helps investigators gather concrete evidence for legal cases. In addition to examining live animals, emergency vets often perform necropsies, or animal autopsies, to find out how an animal died. They look for signs of trauma, toxins, or disease that can tell a story about what happened. Forensic pathology helps interpret injuries and postmortem changes, providing important information for investigations and court cases. Emergency vets also work closely with law enforcement, animal control officers, and forensic specialists. They document injuries, collect trace evidence, and respond to crime scenes involving animals. Their scientific expertise supports the enforcement of animal protection laws and helps bring cruelty cases to justice. In practice, emergency veterinary forensics involve identifying abuse or neglect quickly to protect animals and support legal action. They also include collecting and preserving evidence during emergency care, providing expert testimony in court, and helping investigate illegal animal fighting, poaching, or poisoning incidents. By considering forensic evidence during emergency treatment, vets can prevent further harm and contribute to animal welfare. Overall, these careers extend beyond immediate care, using scientific methods to support justice and protect animals from harm.